For all my runners, tennis players, pickleballers, and athletes who perform explosive movements, today's video is for you because I'm going to teach you how I kinesio tape for calf strains in 3 easy steps, as well as a few tips and tricks that make kinesio taping easier. Hey guys, what's cracking? It's Dr. Neville, aka Dr. Ginger Ninja. Today we're taping the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles that make up the calf. Step 1. Prepare the skin. Before we start kinesio taping, you need to make sure the skin is prepped so the tape lasts longer. I use alcohol to make sure the skin is clean and free from any sweat, oils, or lotions. Also, if you have a lot of hair on your legs, use some clippers to trim it up so the tape sticks better to your skin. For today's taping, we're going to use one 12-inch strip for the lateral calf and one 14-inch strip of kinesio tape for the medial calf. Pro tip number 1, round the corners of the tape so it won't catch on clothing and it'll last longer. Pro tip number 2, to remove the tape from the paper, tear the paper from the back and then just peel it off. Step 2, stretch the calf. Before we apply the tape, we want to stretch the muscle. Have the patient lay face down and their foot dorsiflexed. Step 3, apply the lateral strip. Start with a 12-inch piece of tape. When we apply the lateral strip, tear the tape about 2 inches from the end, creating our anchor. Start at the Achilles tendon and lay the anchor down with 0 tension. Make sure the muscle is stretched and apply the tape with 25 to 30% tension along the Achilles and up the lateral head of the calf. The ending anchor should be applied with no tension at the knee. Next, we're going to apply the 14-inch strip starting about 2 inches below the first strip. Again, tear the tape about 2 inches from the end, creating our anchor, and apply it with 0 tension. Keeping the muscle stretched, apply the tape with 25 to 30% tension along the Achilles and up the medial head of the calf to the inside of the knee. The ending anchors should always be applied with 0 tension. Pro tip number 3. To help the tape adhere better and last longer, rub the tape to naturally heat it up and activate the adhesive. When you're done, the tape should look like this and add support to your calf muscles. For those of you who don't have help kinesio taping, you can also do this yourself in the comfort of your own home. Now, if you're also having pain in your knee, you may want to watch this video or check out our full playlist of ways to kinesio tape different injuries. And if this video helped you out, punch that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.